This is the second part to the bulb storage video. Here is some purple potato that I wanted to store, and I have some paper bags and vermiculites. So what I did was I put some vermiculite into a paper bag first. And then after there's some vermiculite in the paper bag, I put the potato into the paper bag like that. And then I fill it up with more vermiculite to create a layer that covers the first potato. And then I put in another potato on top of the vermiculite. Basically what I'm doing is I'm using the vermiculite to separate the potatoes so they don't touch each other. This is to prevent the spread of rotting if one of them is bad. And also vermiculite is a pretty good media for to promote airflow. So that's gonna keep the potato well ventilated. And then the last step I did was I labeled the bags so I know which one is which and when I stored them. So basically I'm going to do the same thing for the rest of the potatoes. And there you have it. This is how I usually store the bulbs. And as you can see, I also did the same thing for calla lilies. The same method, I layered the bulbs with vermiculites. And I stored them in a plastic container, so it's all well organized. Also from the previous video, I also dried some dahlia bulbs, and for the dahlia bulb storage I just kind of wrapped them in some papers, and after that I just put it in the plastic container. And here I also have a temperature and humidity monitor just for convenience. And the last step is I use some aluminum foil to kind of cover everything up. This is to block the lights from the outside, because lights can induce bulb sprouting, and we don't want them to sprout yet. And when you're doing this, make sure don't seal everything up completely with the aluminum foil, because it's not permeable to airflows.